हेलो एवरीवन, इट्स नूतनदीप एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो हम रीडिंग कर रहे थे और आज लास्ट पार्ट है सुजान भगत का। सो लेट गेट स्टार्टेड एंड आई विल रीड इट आउट लाउड। ओके। यस्टरडे आई कमिटेड अ ग्रेव मिस्टेक। रात में मुझसे बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई। सी नाउ ही इज गोइंग विद द प्लाउ। अब वो हल चला रहा है। डज ही वॉन्ट टू गिव हिज लाइफ? बुलाकी His anger is like that only. Now he won't listen to anyone. Bhola, wake Shankar up. I will also wash my face and hands and then take the plow. Plow यानी कि हल. Okay. Carrying plow when Bhola reached the field along with the other farmers, Sujan had already plowed half the field. जब हल लेकर भोला वहां पहुंचा, फील्ड में, खेत में पहुंचा और फार्मर्स के साथ, तो उसने देखा कि सुजान ने तो ऑलरेडी सारा हल जो है खेत को जोत दिया था हल से। भोला क्वाइटली स्टार्टेड वर्किंग। भोला चुपचाप काम करने लगा। ही कुडंट डेयर टू टॉक टू सुजान। इट वॉज मिड डे। ऑल फार्मर्स अबंडन देयर वर्क। सभी फार्मर्स ने अपना काम छोड़ा उस समय के लिए। बट सुजान भगत कंटिन्यूड। Bhola is tired. He thought many times to release bullocks, but due to fear, he could not say anything. He was wondering as to how Dada could work so hard. उसे बहुत आश्चर्य हो रहा था कि दादा यानी उसके जो पिताजी थे सुजान, वो ऐसे इतनी हार्डवर्क कैसे कर सकते हैं। Eventually, he asked hesitantly. तभी फाइनली, इवेंचुअली यानी फाइनली, तभी उसने हेजिटेट होकर पूछा, दादा इज इट नून नाउ? शेल वी रिलीज बुलॉक्स? सुजान, यस यू टेक बुलॉक्स। आई विल कम आफ्टर थ्रोइंग डांट्स, स्टोन्स एंड वीड्स यानी स्टोन्स को और वीड्स यानी खरपतवार को फेंक के फिर आऊंगा। सुजान, भोला, आई विल थ्रो डांट्स इन द इवनिंग। भोला ने कहा कि मैं डांट्स जो है उसे शाम को फेंकूंगा। Sujan, you won't be able to throw. Don't you see that the field has deepened like a bowl? That is why water gets logged. इसीलिए पानी उसमें जाम हो गया है। Log, water logging होता है ना, water gets logged. In this fertile land, I used to grow 20 months, 7.5 quintal to a bigha. Fertile यानी कि उपजाऊ, और वो वर्ड पहले क्या था? barren यानी कि अनुपजाऊ। You people have spoiled it. Bullocks were released. Bhola took them home, but Sujan kept throwing dants. After throwing dants for half an hour, he came back home, but there was no trace of tiredness. उसके माथे पर थकान की कोई निशान नहीं थी। After bathing and having dinner, instead of having rest, he started stroking bullocks. Stroking bullocks यानी bullocks को सहलाने लगा, हाथ फेरने लगा। He ran his hand on their back, rubbed their legs, stroked their tails. Their tails were raised. With their heads on Sujan's chest, bullocks felt extremely happy. They had this pleasure after a long time. Their eyes showed gratitude. Gratitude यानी आभार. As if they were saying, we are ready to work with you day and night. Like other peasants, peasants यानी किसान. Bhola was still having rest when Sujan carried the plough and proceeded towards the field. Both bullocks ran with fervor, fervor यानी कि जोश, as if they were in hurry to plough the field. Reclining in the shed, Bhola watched his father going towards the field with plough, but couldn't get up. His stamina was gone and he had never worked so hard. He had a ready-made household. He was somehow running it. With such hard labor, he wasn't inclined to become head of family. A young man has many other engagements. He also needs time for merrymaking, entertainment. There is a wrestling match in the neighboring village. How can a young man resist the temptation to watch it? टेम्पटेशन मतलब उसको देखने, किसी चीज को करने के लिए उत्सुक होना। In some village marriage party has come, there would be singing and dancing. Why should a young man be denied its pleasure? इस खुशी से दूर क्यों रहे? For old people, there are no such deviation. They have nothing to do with singing and dancing, nor other entertainments. They can devote all their time to work. Bulaki said, Bhola, your dada has gone with plow. Bhola, let him go, Amma, I can't work like him. Comments were made in the village on Sujan's renewed enthusiasm. All religious fervor yani ki josh, is gone. He was a shame Bhagat. He is caught in the web of desires. He is not a human being, works like a ghost. But one can see sadhus and saints settled again at Sujan's door. लेकिन हर कोई देख सकता था साधु और संत फिर से सुजान के दर पे आने लग गए थे. They are received with respect as earlier. He has again harvested gold from his fields. There is a shortage. So shortage means कमी. There is a shortage of space in his granary. Granary यानी खाने का भंडार, जहाँ भोजन का रखने का जो भंडार होता है. The field that yielded hardly 5 months, about 2 quintal of grain, has now produced 10 months. It was the month of Chaitra, March. Granaries were full. There were piles of grain everywhere. This is the time when peasants, kisan, to have a sense of success for sometimes when their hearts are filled with pride. Sujan Bhagat was giving baskets filled with grain to sons, and they carried it to and stored in the house. Many bards and beggars had surrounded Bhagatji. They included the beggar who, 8 months before, had returned empty-handed from his house. Suddenly Bhagatji asked the beggar, which places did you cover in your round today? Beggar, I haven't gone anywhere else. Bhagatji, first of all, I have come to your house. Bhagat, well, this pile of grain is before you. You take as much as you can carry. Beggar looked at the pile with greedy eyes and said, I will take whatever you give me with your hands. Bhagat, no, you take how much you can carry. Beggar had a sheet of cloth with him, and he poured about 10 seer of grains on it and lifted it. Due to bashfulness, he did not dare to take more of it. Bhagat guessed his feelings and reassuring him said, that's all. Even a child can carry this much. एक बच्चा भी इससे ज़्यादा उठा सकता है. Beggar looked at Bhola suspiciously and said, this much is enough for me. Bhagat, no, you are feeling shy. Fill it more. Beggar took about 5 seer again and looked suspiciously again towards Bhola. Bhagat, why do you look at him, Babaji? You do whatever I am saying. You take how much you can carry. Beggar was afraid that if he filled the sheet and Bhola did not allow to take the bundle, it will be very shameful. अब यहाँ पर ये लाइन है, if he filled the sheet, filled second form, मतलब ये कंडीशनल है, past conditional. ओके, if he filled the sheet, अगर वो भरता है अपनी शीट को और भोला ने उसे अलाउ नहीं किया बंडल लेने के लिए, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही शेमफुल होगा. इट विल बी वेरी शेमफुल. अदर बेगर्स विल हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लाफ एट हिम. एवरीबडी विल से हाउ ग्रीडी ही इज. ही कुड नॉट डेयर टू टेक मोर. उसे और लेने का साहस नहीं था. देन सुजान भगत टुक द शीट, फिल्ड इट एंड टाइड द बंडल एंड सेड, नाउ टेक इट. बेगर, आई कैन नॉट कैरी दिस मच. Bhagat, Arey, you can't carry even this much. It is no more than a month. Make some more efforts. Let me see. You can carry it or not. Beggar tried to lift the bundle. It was heavy. It did not budge. वो हिला भी नहीं. He said, Bhagat ji, I won't be able to lift it. Bhagat, well then tell me which village you live in. Beggar, it is quite far. काफी दूर है. Bhagat ji, you must have heard of Amola. Bhagat, well, you walk ahead. तुम पैदल चलो. I will send it to your house. After saying this, Bhagat strived to lift the bundle and putting it on his head, he followed the beggar. Onlookers, जो देखने वाले लोग थे, were taken aback, हैरान रह गए, watching this manliness of Bhagat. भगत की इस मर्दानगी और बहादुरी पे हैरान हो गए. They did not know Bhagat was intoxicated by what. Today he had got the reward for his continuous labor of 8 months. His lost authority was restored to him today. The sword that cannot cut even a banana cuts iron when it is weighted. एक तलवार जो कि एक बनाना को भी कट नहीं कर सकती है, एक आयरन को भी कट कर सकती है अगर उसे शेप किया जाए, वेटेड यानी शेप किया जाए, उसे उसकी धार को तेज किया जाए. ओके. डॉग्डनेस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट इन लाइफ. एक हठीपना होना, एक जिद्दीपना होना बहुत ज़रूरी है ज़िंदगी में. एंड वन हु इज़ डॉग्ड, जो हठी है, जिद्दी है, is a young man even if he is old by age. Self-respect of the one who does not have doggedness is dead even if he is young. Sujan Bhagat was a dogged man and that gave him superhuman strength. Before proceeding, he looked at Bhola with pride and said, all these bards and beggars standing here, nobody should go empty-handed. Bhola stood with his head bowed, झुका हुआ. He could not dare to speak anything. His old father had defeated him. उसके बूढ़े पिता ने उसे हरा दिया था. So this is the story and I hope you like this. And आगे भी ऐसी stories पढ़ेंगे. And hope you like this video. Thank you.